Good morning, guys. Today is a Thursday and I have been absolutely, let me take off my glasses because you can't really see my eyes. I've been absolutely knackered. I think I got way too excited with outdoors opening and I've literally overdid it. But I'm going out again. I'm going to this rooftop thing that's happening and I can't resist a rooftop, like I can't resist a skyline. So I'm going to take you guys with me and I'm going to do a lot of vlogging because I don't really want to dance or drink or do anything else. I just want to record and just make memories and film. I'm tired. So yes, you guys are going to come with me and I should actually be leaving now because I'm late. So I'm going to go do that. Okay, so this is the outfit for today. I'm not sure where the necklace is from. Where did I get this from? I'm not sure. But the necklace, I've got these earrings. Oh, it's not focusing on me, it's focusing on the camera. Do you know, it doesn't matter. And then we have denim on denim and my dirty feelers. And that's it. It's very dark. I know you can still see it. Yeah, we can see enough. It's a vibe. Oh, look, see skyline though. Oh no, go ahead. Let me get you. No, it's a oof. Oh my god, creamy. This is so cute. This is actually blind. How can you say you're blind? Oh, it's a speed limit. How can you run away from the light? No, I know, but like, how do you do it? I don't know anyone. I know him. Not crazy. Okay, see, I can vlog. This is light work. I can't see shit. Hold on. There we go. I don't know what to say. Okay, so I'm editing the video right now and I just thought to interject because I didn't explain anything where I went was to a Boiler Room event, and the Boiler Room is this broadcasting, like this music broadcasting company that was founded in London, but they do shows all over the world, like literally from Palestine to the UK. And the night that I went to was an Amapiano night, which is South African house. It was a very big vibe. It was free. It was on the rooftop, and it was great. And then after that, I was intending to go home, but instead I found out about this like soul live music night that was happening at this place called the Night Owl, and this is the first time I've been there. It's in Finsbury Park, and that was really amazing. Like, they had a set list of songs that you could choose from, and you could basically just go up and sing and perform. I didn't, because I can't sing for shit, but it was so nice. And it felt like it would be really nice for a day night as well. The vibe was just very chill. And then afterwards, they had a DJ set and people were dancing. You could request songs. It was just very fun. It was a very fun day. And yeah, I hope that explains stuff, because right now it's just random clips together and it's like... No. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can hear me, but I went to a rooftop thing, and then we met some people, and now I'm at like a soul event evening, and this is my life. Every time I go out, I'm like, I'm gonna go home early, and I never go home early because there's always something else happening. Anyway, here we are. Here we are.
It's just a vibe. That's it.